Hey guys, Brett here, and I've been working online and making a full-time income for over a decade. As a matter of fact, I've made several $1,000,000 online. However, I generally do it in the software space, either selling software that I create or selling software as an affiliate. And I realize that this isn't for everybody. So what I decided to do today is make a video and show a way that anybody can make money online without needing to do a bunch of technical stuff. Now, I want to give you a fair warning. I'm not selling anything here. I'm not trying to make money off you. There's not going to be a webinar at the end of this video. There's not going to be a link to an affiliate product in the description. I'm just trying to help people get some success and make some extra money. Now, before I jump into it, I will ask you for a real quick favor. Go ahead and like this video, because when you like my videos, it tells YouTube that it should show my videos to more people, which means more people get the help they need. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so the very first thing we need is a subject, and our subject should be something that people are passionate about, and the more passionate people are about it, the more it's going to work for us. Now, some of these subjects that I have in the example here are kind of political, and you might not agree with them, you might agree with them, it doesn't matter. You have your own ideas, I have my own ideas. I only list them here because these are things that people are passionate about. Just keep in mind, we're not here to judge people, we're not here to, impart our ideas on other people. We're here to make money, and political things are things that people are passionate about, so I have them included in this example. So in some of the examples that I have for subjects, I have U.S., Army, Marine, Navy, Air Force veteran. Of course, you wouldn't have all of them. You would pick either U.S. Army veteran, Marine veteran, Navy veteran, or U.S. Air Force veteran. You wouldn't put them all in your subject. It would be either one of those branches. Super mom and proud is something that people are definitely passionate about. Let's be honest, the world would not function without some of the amazing mothers out there. So that's a very good one. We support the police. We support our troops. Then we have ones that are a little more political. Trump sucks, because there's a lot of people out there that hate Trump. I love Trump, because there's a lot of people out there that love Trump. Again, we are not being political here. We are not expressing our ideas. Keep them out of the comments, please. We're here to make money, and it just so happens that some people like Trump and some people hate him. Watch out for motorcycles. Eat it, Elon, because right now a lot of people seem to hate Elon Musk. Again, we are not being political in the comments. Keep that shit out of here. We are just talking about things that people are passionate about. Let's go, Brandon. I support the Second Amendment. You get the idea. It's things that people are passionate about. That's the subject that we're going to pick, because we're going to be capitalizing on that passion to make money. And let me show you how we're going to do it. So once we pick our subject, we're going to head over to Fiverr.com, and we are going to search for bumper sticker design. And the reason we're searching for bumper sticker design, of course, is because we're going to get bumper stickers printed that we're going to sell. Now, don't let that scare you. We're going to get them printed super cheap, and I'm going to show you how you can sell them for free. All we need at this point, though, is a design, since we now picked our subject that people are passionate about. And now you can see why it's important that people are actually passionate about the subject, because the more passionate they are, the more they're going to want to express that passion with a bumper sticker. In the earlier example, my wife actually has a U.S. Marine Corps veteran bumper sticker on her truck because she is a Marine Corps veteran. She also has a proud mom sticker on her truck because she's a proud mother, and she's a stay-at-home mother who basically runs our household. We wouldn't be able to function without her. So those are things she's passionate about, and those are things she wanted to express on her car. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to look for a design. In order to do that, we're going to head to Fiverr, and we're going to search for bumper sticker design. And as you can see, there are a ton of people that will design bumper stickers for you. Prices starting at $10. Now, here's one that I particularly like. He has some pretty good designs. He's got great reviews, 4.8. He has a 2-day delivery time. And he says he will give you 2 revisions for free. So if you want some changes, he'll do 2 revisions. That's a lot of work for $10. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to hire our designer, the one that we choose, and we're going to get our bumper sticker designed based on the subject that we selected earlier. Okay, so once we get our bumper sticker design back from the guy on Fiverr, the next thing to do is go ahead and get them printed. And now in order to get them printed, we're going to head to a website called printplace.com. It's PLACE.com. And I want to point out that I'm not an affiliate for this website. I get absolutely nothing from telling you to use this website. The only reason I'm telling you to utilize this particular site is because I have personally utilized this particular site. Some of you may know that my wife and I used to own a restaurant. We actually sold it about a year and a half ago, but we used to own a restaurant, and we used to send those mailers out, letting people know what our menu is and giving coupons and stuff, in the mail. We used to send them out for our restaurant, and Print Place printed them for us. I actually utilized Print Place for things like our menus, our postal mailers, a whole bunch of different things. They even printed signage for our store as well. And because of this, I know that Print Place is a respectable online print shop that provides quality service at a reasonable price. So head on over to Print Place and search for bumper stickers. So you search for bumper stickers and you actually see they will print bumper stickers in various sizes and shapes. For this example, I'm going to use 3x7 because that's a decent bumper sticker size, and it will also fit inside a legal envelope. This is important because when we send them to people, we're going to send them in just a legal envelope. You drop the bumper sticker in the envelope, put a stamp on it, and send it to them. It's that simple. It only costs you, the price of a stamp and an envelope, which is, 60 cents maybe. So we're going to go ahead and get 3x7-inch design. We're going to select a quantity of 100. Now you might notice that you can select larger quantities. I mean, they will print 10,000, 20,000 of these for you. The more that you pick, the lower the price per sticker you're going to pay. And this is because for a commercial print shop like this, the vast majority of their overhead, of their cost, is setting up the machines. This company will print out 1,000 stickers in seconds. I mean, their machine will spit them out in the blink of an eye. But they might spend 20 minutes actually setting up the machine. Because of this, because the machine setup is the majority of their cost, the more you get, the less you're going to pay per unit, because the setup is the same no matter how many they actually print. But I would suggest that you start with a lower quantity just to get started. I mean, trying to get rid of 5,000 bumper stickers is going to be a little bit hard if they're all the same. So I would suggest that you start with 100 and then go from there. So you can see 100 bumper stickers is going to cost us $77.17. That's 77 cents each. Now, there is a shipping cost, so we're going to round that up to an even dollar. We're going to sell these for $5 a piece. So we're paying $1 for a bumper sticker and we're selling them for $5. That's a $4 profit. And if you want to, you could charge an extra $1 for shipping, make it an even $6. So you're going to get a pure $4 profit for every sticker that you sell. What that means is if you get 100 bumper stickers, you're transforming $77 into $500. Now, that's of course if you can sell them, and I'm going to show you how to sell them really easily in a second. Now, for anybody that's thinking to themselves right now, but I don't want to spend money to get started. Well, I'm going to tell you something. Business is literally the process of turning $1 into $2 and probably $3 if you can do it. Business is all about money multiplication. If you want to be in business, you're going to have to invest a little bit of money. And for anybody that says, I don't have any money to invest, well, then do something else, work at a job, save some money, and then you can invest it and start a business. Because if you have absolutely nothing, frankly, you're not in a position to start a business. But I don't think this applies to a lot of people, because a lot of people I see are real quick to buy the latest get rich, make money scam bullshit from some guru that only wants to take your cash. And if you have money to do that, you have money to start a real business, especially given the fact that it's like $100 maybe. So it shouldn't be too much of an issue. But again, if it is an issue, investing $100 to build a real business, then you might want to do some kind of side hustle, a little side job, side work. I mean, you can make $100 at a paper route and then eventually go ahead and start your business. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get them printed. We're going to spend $100 with the shipping cost. We're going to have 100 bumper stickers, and we're going to sell them for $5 a piece. We're going to turn our $100 into $500. Of course, we need a way to sell them. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, now I got to start an online store or some shit like that. You don't. You don't have to do any of that. As a matter of fact, that would probably be the worst thing you could possibly do. You're not going to go to Etsy either, because screw that. We're not going to pay Etsy 35% of what we make. Forget that. We're going to use a much simpler, a free, a very available way of selling our bumper stickers. Here's what we're going to do. we're going to head over to Facebook and we're going to do two things. The first thing we're going to do is create a post to our own timeline offering them for sale to our friends. Why? Because if we are passionate about something, probably our friends are passionate about it too. If we like something and we're interested in something, probably our friends like it and are interested in that too. People tend to hang out and associate with people that have the same interests as them. So if you have a bumper sticker that's based on something that you're passionate about, probably your friends are going to be interested in as well, and you're going to go and make a couple of sales from them. So post to your own timeline and let your own friends know that you've got these bumper stickers available for sale. I mean, it's $5. It's not like it's a ton of money you're asking them. And since it's something that they're interested in, you're not really spamming them. I mean, I wouldn't say it over and over again a million times. Just make a post and say, hey, I've got these bumper stickers for sale. It's $5 plus $1 for shipping. Send me a PM if you're interested, and I'll get one out to you. As for payment, well, you can collect payment easily because Facebook has a way to transfer money built right into it. Now, another thing we're going to do is head over to Facebook Marketplace. So I'll go ahead and search for Marketplace. And right here is a place where we can buy and sell things for free. I mean, Facebook doesn't charge any money for this at all. They don't even take a cut out of it. They have a built-in payment processor so people can send you payments with Facebook Pay. You can coordinate with them and get their address because, of instant messaging. People make a lot of money selling things on Facebook. Why shouldn't you too? So go ahead and create a new listing. Use the image that you got from the guy on Fiverr as the image for the listing. Say, I have these bumper stickers for sale. Show your support for whatever your subject is. $5. I accept Facebook Pay. PM me if you're interested. And you can go ahead and start selling these bumper stickers on the Facebook Marketplace without paying any fees at all. So that's two ways built into Facebook that you can go ahead and sell these. And what's great about this is even if you don't sell them all initially, since you're selling them for 5 times what you're paying for, you only need to sell a fraction of them to make your money back, and everything after that is gravy. What I would actually suggest people do is create one new listing with one new sticker every 2 weeks or so, and eventually you're going to have a whole bunch of listings, a whole bunch of bumper stickers for sale on the Facebook Marketplace. You're going to have a business. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. With a little bit of investment, a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, you can have your own successful business making bumper stickers and selling them on the Facebook Marketplace without actually needing to do much of any of the work yourself. The only real work you need to do yourself is stuff those in envelopes and mail them out to people, which, you could do that while you're watching me on YouTube. Alrighty, guys, I hope this helps you. Thank you and enjoy.